Assalamu alaikum. This is EM Robil Islam Robin. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be show you how to create a discount sheet in Excel. So let's get started. This is our discount sheet, which is what we want to do right now. Click the plus icon for a new sheet. You can change the sheet name. Right click here and rename. Give the name discount sheet for you. Okay, now I'm go to zoom control bar and click plus icon for zoom in. Go to previous sheet, select the serial long to net amount, Ctrl C for copy. Go to our sheet, right click here and paste only values. If I write or type everything, the duration of the video will be much longer. That's why I'm using copy paste, because we don't need wasted our time. Now go to top right corner, you can see a triangle icon. Click here and double click here. You see here all of the column size are changed depending on the content. Now select the 3 row and the whole columns. Go to Home tab, Alignment Group and select the Merge and Center. When I press here, you can see all the cells turned around into one cell. Now I'm right here, discount sheet. Select here, change the font size like 36 and go to font, change the font, Times New Roman. Go to fill color and change the fill color like that color, and go to previous sheet, select serial number, customer name, product, quantity and rate. Ctrl C for copy all and go to our sheet, right click here and paste. Go to right top corner again and double click here, select all and go to border and select all borders. Okay, select the serial long to net amount, go to fill color, change the color like that color, font color like change that color. I'm also change the discount sheet font color, that's why I'm select the discount sheet, go to font color and change it white. Make it bold, select serial long cell and make it center. Now we calculate the total amount. It is very easy. You just type equal, select the rate into quantity, enter. Okay, we can see the total amount. I calculate that simply. What I do, I'm just type equal sign and select the rate into quantity. Now I'm using the same formula all these cell. Excel make it very easy. Just select the cell where we using the formula and go to the right bottom corner, cursor is changed. It's little bit smaller. When it is smaller, double click here or click and drag. Okay, it's worked perfectly. Now we need to show discount percent. So I'm using a formula equal to if and select the total amount. I'm say greater than or equal to 1 crore, comma. Now we need to give the true value. If our condition is true, then show 25% and give the false value like 0%. You see the result is 0% because we give a condition that is greater than or equal to 1 crore, but we have total amount 50 lakhs. That's why the answer is 0%. Okay, I hope you understand how is it work. Now I need to change the formula. Double click here and delete the false value. Select all without equal sign. Ctrl C for copy. Click here, comma, and paste it. Select the 1 crore to 50 lakhs and change the discount percent like 20%. Go to here, comma again, and paste here. Change the condition, suppose 4 lakhs, and change the percentage, suppose 15%. Go to here, comma again, paste again, and change the condition, suppose 30 lakhs, then change the percentage and change the percentage like 10%. Again go to here, comma, and Ctrl V for paste, and change the condition like 20,000 and percentage is 5%. Go to here, comma, and paste again. Okay, and change the condition like 3%. We say our total amount is greater than or equal to 1 crore, then we give 25%. And if our total amount greater than or equal to 50 lakhs, then we get 20%. Like that, 40 lakhs, then we get 15%. When the total amount greater than or equal to 30 lakhs, then we get 10%. When the total amount greater than or equal to 20 lakhs, then get 5%. When the total amount greater than or equal to 10 lakhs, then get 3%. Now I give the false value, it is 0%. Okay, click enter. I need to same formula for all this cell. That's why select where I'm using the formula and go to the bottom right corner and double click here. Okay, that is perfectly working. Now I change the iPhone quantity. When I change the iPhone quantity and press enter, the discount percent will be changed. That means our formula is perfectly working. Okay, now I'm select all the cell and center align. Looking good. Okay, now we need to show the discount amount. It is very simple. Equal to sign, total amount, star or into discount. It is working. Okay, go to bottom right corner and double click here. Perfectly working. Net amount. What is the net amount? Net amount, that means total amount minus discount, equal to total amount minus discount in amount. Enter. Go to bottom right corner and double click here. Now select the area and select the comma style. It's look nice, right? Great, well done. We have completed our discount sheet. So depending on you, you can just choose anything or change anything as per as your requirement. You can download this template for free. I have given a link in the video description. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe this channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next tutorial and thanks for the watching.